Welcome. If you're ready to let the world know about your relationship status on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your relationship status to "in a relationship" on your Facebook page using your PC, all according to the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select your name to go directly to your profile page. Once your profile loads, look for the About section. This is usually found below your cover photo or in the menu options beneath your profile picture. Click on About to enter the section where you can edit your personal details. Now, on the left-hand side of the About page, you'll see several categories. Scroll down and find the section labeled Family and Relationships. Click on it to open up your relationship details. Here comes the exciting part. Look for the option that says Add a Relationship Status. Click on this button to begin updating your status. A menu will appear with different relationship options. Select In a Relationship from the list. Once you've chosen In a Relationship, you'll have the option to add your partner's name if you'd like, but that's totally up to you. After you're happy with your selection, click the Save button to update your profile. And that's it. Your Facebook page will now proudly display your new relationship status. It's a great way to share your happiness with friends and family, and it only takes a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.